Join me today for a braided pork loin. You're gonna love this. We're gonna put a twist on our barbecue. We have a boneless pork tenderloin, and we're gonna braid it, so all you have to do is take it into 3 separate sections, which I have already done for you. So you simply make a cut here, leave some on the end, and another cut here. And we're gonna put a binder of mustard as always, and then we're gonna hit it with some wonderful rub. You will not taste the mustard, this just helps it stick. So give it a good coating. Now you might ask yourself, why would you braid this? What's the point? Why not just do a whole loin? And you can. One, it gives you really great presentation, but it also gives you more surface area, more area for bark, more places for your favorite rub to get into. So we're gonna hit it with this John Henry East Texas pecan rub. But you can use any rub you like. I also like Killer Hogs and others. Get it on all sides. Now if you don't know how to braid, it's pretty simple. I grew up learning how to braid horses' tails at the barn. So you simply take this centerpiece and you cross over the center. Now you have a new center, so you cross over that center. Cross over this center again. And just follow that beautiful pattern. And there you have it. Get you a toothpick. There you go, braided pork loin. Let's get it on the grill. Big green egg. Green egg is set at 300 degrees. We have our plate setter in the egg. And look what we are going to put on here. And we're going to cook this to 138 degrees. We're at 130 degrees, so it's time to put a homemade glaze on this beautiful meat. I have made up a concoction of pineapple juice, brown sugar, honey, and some red pepper flakes with a little bit of vinegar, stirred it up. And this is gonna put a final glaze. Remember we put all that beautiful rub on there. Now we're gonna put a finishing glaze on this. And because we only have about 10 minutes left, we're gonna add a couple of pineapple skewers, some grilled pineapple, and some corn on the cob. Corn on the cob is gonna be great with this delicious pork. I'm gonna add some pineapple. Let's put some salt and pepper on our corn. You know, there's nothing better combination than pork and pineapple. So let's hit this pineapple with the same beautiful glaze. This is gonna be tangy, juicy, sweet with that red pepper flakes. They're gonna really give it a little kick. We'll be pulling it out at about 137, 138 degrees, and we'll let it rest for 10 minutes. Magic moment, here we go. 139 degrees, it's gonna go a little bit higher than that, so we know that it is delicious and ready to go. Succulent and tender pork tenderloins. Give our pineapple a flip. Our corn a roll. Magic moment time. Let's see what's inside. Oh man, can you see the drip? This stuff just, look how wet this cutting board is. Look how juicy, look how tender. It is literally dripping out of there, folks. That is delicious. I can't wait any longer. I gotta try a bite. Please put in the comments if you've ever tried this, if you've ever braided one, or if you're going to. Pork loin! Watch Steve Harvey on Family Feud. L-I-O-N, line.